We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and cared to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It is simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why our customers write these amazing reviews about us. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.